I get my fine glasses and I can't see anything. Can you help me find a few things? No problem. What are you looking for? My laptop. Do you see it? Yes, your laptop is on the chair. Where's my book? Which one? The dictionary. It's under the table. Where's my pencil? There's a pencil in front of a lamp. That's not a pencil. That's a pen. Oh, sorry. There is a pencil behind the cup. How about the big book? Do you know where that is? It's a thing between the word on the bed. Where are my shoes? They're on the left side of the TV. I don't see them. Sorry, I make a mistake. They're on the right of the TV. Thanks. Oh, and here are your glasses. The wallet to your cell phone. Excuse me, check please. Okay. How was the very thing? Very nice, thank you. Would you like this to go? Yes. Can I put in a plastic bag? Sure, no problem. Here you are. That'll be $25. You take credit cards? Yes. We accept Visa and MasterCard. Okay, here we are. Thanks, and be right back. Okay, here's your receipt. Thank you. You're welcome. Please come again.